Hey guys, this is Cooking with Kurt, and my partner for life, Donald, is joining me in the kitchen again.
Hi YouTube!
And today we're going to show you how to make a Thai yellow chicken curry.
This flavorful meal is an easy one-pot dish that is perfect after a long day.
That's right. To start, take a large pot or skillet and place it over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 medium onion that has been diced and saute them for about 5 minutes or until the onions become translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add in 1/3 cup of Thai yellow curry paste and continue to saute for another 2 minutes. We prefer the brand My Ploy. On the spice level scale, Thai green curry is hot, Thai red curry is medium hot, and Thai yellow curry has a somewhat mild, sweet taste with a bit of spice.
We used to be able to handle the spice level of a green curry. Now, turmeric is the vital ingredient that gives yellow curry its golden hue. Now we're going to add 4 pounds of chicken pieces. We prefer using chicken thighs, and continue to saute this for about 5 minutes. You want to coat each chicken piece in the curry paste and make sure the pieces are slightly browned. Once the chicken is browned, add in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Continue to saute everything for another 2 minutes.
Now we're going to add the coconut milk. We prefer light coconut milk. Pour in 1 14-ounce can and add in 1 cup of water. Gently stir it around and then let it come to a boil. Once it does, turn down the heat to low and cover with a lid.
We're going to let it gently simmer for 40 minutes. While everything is simmering, take 2 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into 1/2-inch cubes. After the 40 minutes are up, add the cubed potatoes into the dish and mix them in. Turn the heat up to medium-low, let it come to a simmer, and continue simmering for another 15 to 20 minutes with the lid off, until the potatoes are tender.
To serve, we're going to ladle in the chicken, potatoes, and curry sauce over freshly cooked jasmine rice, and finally garnish with chopped scallions.
Delicious. So tasty.
Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you, Donald, for joining me in the kitchen again.
My pleasure.
Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this Thai yellow chicken curry. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Maraming salamat!